Okay guys, so this is my old apartment. This is the apartment that I got when I first moved to Dallas. And I really loved it. Like, it wasn't really huge. It was like 732 square feet, I think. But I loved it. So you guys know that I only care about having a live workspace. So I like very minimal stuff. I don't like stuff being too cluttered. And I also love, being able to get up and get to work, right? So you know that I work for myself. And so when I moved here, my intention was to do WeWork, but I'll tell you about that in another video. But this is the kitchen. So the kitchen was pretty cool. This is on moving out day. So it's like an empty apartment tour. It's not that clean because I was moving out, but I was just pulling all my stuff out. I loved the appliances in this apartment. The kitchen was pretty cool. Being that it was a live workspace, I didn't mind that it was just in one big space, including the living room and such. And I loved waking up and just looking outside and meditating and praying. And yeah, so this was the bedroom. It was not really big, but it was really cozy and comfortable because now I have a bigger bedroom and I don't even know what to do with the space. And so I had my TV on my wall and things like that. Now in here is a bathroom. So I had two bathrooms. I had a full bath and a half bath. The way that they did this apartment was really cute. I mean, look at this sink stall. Look at that mirror at the back of, as the backsplash. That was pretty bomb too. So it's perfect if I was working, I would always stay on that side of the apartment. And then, hey, and then in my bedroom, I had like a full bath. The showers were really bomb. And, like I said, this is moving out day, so everything is not that spotless, but you guys will be okay on the okay. And yeah, so this is the bathroom. This is what inside of the bathroom looked like. And this was my closet. So they had stackable machines, which I really liked inside of the closet. And the closet space wasn't that big, but like I said, it was really cozy. It was me alone. I lived there alone. So, I don't think I even filled the closet up completely because you guys know that I moved with minimal things to Dallas. Like I left most of my stuff in New York, or I threw away a lot of stuff as well, right? So all in all, the bathroom was a nice size, and I like that I could have gotten ready in there. I'm a mess, but I like that I could have gotten ready in the bathroom. And my closet was right there. That was perfect, so that by the time I got out into the bedroom or in the rest of the apartment, I was fully dressed. So this was really cute, and I wanted to just share it with you guys because it was an awesome apartment. I miss this view, the birds flying outside, the sunrise. Follow me on Instagram. You'll see a lot more pictures of the apartment, especially when I had it furnished and set up. Especially in my Instagram stories, I'll show you how I had it set up for living and working because I'm all about using space with intention. And yeah, guys, so this was my old apartment in Dallas. And, it didn't turn out that great because that's another story. But I'll see you guys soon.